In this video, I want to tell you how I make money from home using leverage to create a 30-minute workday. That's it, just 30 minutes per day, and I will share how you can do the same thing and build a full-time income while you're at it. Hi, I'm Joe Barclay, and I've been making a full-time income from home for years now. If the thought of creating a full-time income in as little as 30 minutes per day sounds like what you've been looking for, stick with me. This video is for you. And before we get going, I want to ask you to do me a big favor. If you are new to my YouTube channel, please be sure to click the subscribe button right now and also hit the notification bell too, because I post multiple new videos every week and you'll want to be sure you get the information. Also, I hope you will support my YouTube channel and give this video a thumbs up. Hit the like button also to let YouTube know that this is the kind of content you like. And then lastly, in the comments below, please let me know how you got value out of this video. So, I've met so many people who have tried to make money from home. Many have had some level of success, others have flat out failed. But almost all of them have spent way too much time trying. They have ended up just trading their time for dollars, just like in a traditional job. And while the whole idea of a side hustle is to make more money, who really has the time or the interest in taking on something that eats up as much time as another full-time job? And that's where the concept of leverage comes in. Unlike the majority of make money from home opportunities that people see, the business I build, the online system I use, really leverages my time. It allows me to ski most days in the winter and to sail most days in the summer, get this, while my make money from home opportunity is doing just that. Automation gives me tremendous leverage. See, this is just not about how to make money from home, but also how to create the free time to enjoy it too. And it's easier than you think. If you have been dreaming of a way to make an amazing income working online, fast and easy, this is it. This is a business almost anyone can be successful with. It does not require any previous skills. Our team includes everyday people from all around the globe taking advantage of the 30-minute workday. If you can send and receive email and copy simple instructions, you can do it too. You can even start making money later today. This is an affiliate marketing opportunity. If you don't know about affiliate marketing, that's just where you sell someone else's product and earn commissions. I've been doing it for years. I love it. And if you select the right one, it can be very simple, very lucrative, and generate passive long-term income too. That's money that keeps coming in month after month from a sale you make one time. Passive income is key to creating leverage, but it's something most affiliate offers do not have. And again, with the affiliate offer that I promote and the online system I use to do it, it fits ideally into the 30-minute workday routine. Let me tell you more about the specific affiliate offer that I promote and why it might be exactly what you've been looking for. It has the best pay plan I've seen in affiliate marketing. Big 80% commissions and recurring income too, paid by direct deposit. This is critical as most affiliate businesses only pay small one-time commissions. We have the best training in the home business industry, period. You will love our live training 5 days a week, recorded training available 24/7, and our Facebook group where we share ideas and answer questions. Our online training system covers everything from getting started right to how to use free marketing strategies to build your business in as little as 30 minutes per day, again, focusing on using leverage. Many times, people who are already building other businesses join us too, just to access our training and tools. They really are that good. Plus, when we team up, I will be your personal mentor and coach. You will be able to reach out to me anytime by email, text, or my cell, and I'll share everything that's working so well for us and our team and how it can do the same for you too. And in case you're wondering, this make money from home opportunity is very affordable, and since it pays out 80% commissions, only 2 sales can put you in profit. You can make money fast. Many new people make money their very first day following our simple 30-minute workday system. And lastly, this is not MLM. I hope this video helps you start making money from home using leverage. As always, I invite you to reach out with questions at any time. I always enjoy sharing ideas with other marketers. Now, to see exactly how you too can make money from home using leverage to create a full-time income in as little as 30 minutes per day, go to my website at makemorefaster.com. Again, that's makemorefaster.com. Go ahead and check it out. We'll talk soon.